Wala pa naman po yung, di pa naman kayo umaangkat. No, 2 weeks pa lang po nakaraan eh. Gasoline. It used to be 50 liters per day, pre-war. Naging 80 liters po, average, after 2 weeks. So meron pong difference na 30 pesos per liter or an increase of 67%. Sir, ilan po yung consumption natin ng gasoline per month? $4,521,000 barrels or 714,318,000 liters. Correct po? Can I get a confirmation? Anybody from? Welcome.
Anyone from the from DOE or from our from
These
the
figures were
stakeholders?
supplied to me by a friend from the oil companies.
I think DOE will be the more appropriate resource person to shed light on this matter.
Mr. Chair, as confirmed kanina, yung diesel is around 32.5 million liters per day. More or less 33
Pinasold
million.
na natin yun.
the gas-
996,348,000.
Yeah,
So
gasoline.
yung gasoline na lang.
Gasoline is around 23.3 million liters per day.
Or 714,318,000 liters. Tama po.
The 23.3 million is already in liters, Mr. Chair. Daily.
Kaya nga, times 30 ilan? $714,318,000 liters of gasoline. Tama po.
That's correct. Around
Oh,
600.
yan. Ito po, ganito. 714,318,000 liters of gasoline times 30 days. That is 714 million per day. Approximate gross income. So pag pinagsama po natin itong dalawa lamang, Mr. Chair, per day po ito sa diesel po, 2,324,812,000 plus 714,318,000. Ang gross income po per day is 3,039,130,000 per day. 3 billion, Mr. Chair. Kinuha po ninyo sa inventaryo ninyo ito. 2 weeks pa lang ang nakakaraan eh. Alam po ninyo, Mr. Chair, I have to apologize for making this comparison. Yung 18 Marines po, yung kanilang mga dineliver na mga maleta, kinumpute ko rin po eh. Despite the logistical nightmare scenario that was peddled to the public, ganito po yun eh. Approximately, they were delivering 2 billion pesos per day. Based on 33 months times 4 weeks. Average po ng about 42.5 maletas, averaging 40 million. It's maleta. Ito pong gross income na kinocompute ko, Mr. Chair, mas mataas pa po doon sa maleta na dinala po ng 18 Marines. Allegedly. Wala po akong inaano. I'm just trying to see. I mean, yung analogy lang po. Wala po akong pakialam kung totoo o hindi totoo yung sinasabi po doon sa sworn statement. That has yet to be investigated properly. Ang kwento ko po is 2 billion a day, yung sinasabi nila. Ang sabi ko nga po, I'm not saying that that is correct. That is yet to be investigated properly and in proper time. Pero ito pong sinasabi ko, it's 3 billion pesos per day ang gross income po ng National Oil Company. These are not my figures. Salamat po, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Thank you, Senator Marcoleta. Again, we'll discuss the pricing later on, and I'm sure our friends from Manibelas also have some observation on that. We'll finish the presentations from the oil sector.